Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by. Tonight I'm cooking top sirloin. You know, cooking a steak doesn't have to be difficult. You know, this sirloin steak, some say, is second in line in tenderness to the filet mignon, and it's a great cut of beef. It's easy to do, so let's get started. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to brush my steak with some high temperature oil. Olive oil doesn't stand up to the high temperatures that we're going to be using in the skillet, so use something like canola or vegetable oil. Just season your steak with salt and pepper. Believe me guys, this is all you need to season the steak. This is also going to assist in getting a great crust on our steak when we put it in the skillet. First thing, let's sear our steak in a hot skillet for about 2 minutes each side. After a couple of minutes, go ahead and give it a flip. And you can also, after another couple of minutes here, you can render that fat off of the sides as well. It really gives the steak a great flavor. Next, add some butter. We're going to add some richness to our steak. Once the butter melts, just take a spoon and spoon some of that great flavor over the steak. It really gives your steak a great flavor. Next thing, just throw some garlic in there. All you got to do is just pound it. You don't have to peel it. Get it really hot with that butter. Brush your steak with it. Again, this also gives your steak a great flavor. Now we're going to finish it off in a 350-degree oven for about 2 to 3 minutes. And there you go, guys. Let it rest for about 5 minutes and then cut into it. Guys, I'm cooking this steak medium tonight. And as you can see, perfect medium steak. So delicious. Serve it up with whatever sides you want to. I'm serving it up with some pan-fried asparagus. I'll do a video on that later. But anyway, guys, I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, watch all the other videos. But until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye, y'all. Enjoy this.